are there any steps or change management or things also individuals can do to help companies cultivate a data-driven culture?
Yeah, it's a great question. I think, when we talk about what it means to be data driven, I think there's a lot of subtleties there, right? Because like officially, or I don't know if it's official, like the way that people often think about this is using data instead of intuition to make decisions, right? And I think the trap that biotechs often fall into, and that, is that I think biologists like to think of themselves as data driven because they like to, they like to look at graphs, they like to use the available data to make decisions. But they often get to a point where they say, okay, we've looked at all the available data, and now we're gonna have to, we've done as much as we can there. So now let's, revert back to intuition, or at least like knowledge of biology, right? That's the way it's typically done. And so at some point, to be really data driven, you have to actually start investing in having more data so that you can go farther before you revert back to that domain knowledge and that intuition. And there's always going to be some level of that. But I think to be truly data driven, you really want to be constantly pushing the bounds, again, investing more, because it is an investment to create better data, and to ask yourself like, okay, we've done as much as we can with the data we have today. Are there things that we could do to generate data that, that's theoretically available, but we just don't have today, that would make us, that much closer to data driven? And so I think building a data-driven culture is about not just saying we'll use the available data, but getting people into the habit of saying, like, it is worth the cost to generate the data, that's theoretically available but not practically available.